Hey everyone, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me for day 18 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I can't wait to open this. I think I know what it is. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Let's see if I'm right. You ready? All right, here we go. Yay! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is a charm pack. This is Riley Blake's, I don't know how to say this word. I'll put it up on the screen. It's a 5-inch stacker pillow pack. Is that a hint? It's by My Mind's Eye. And just so you know, charm packs, that's a branded name. That's something only Moda can use. So when you hear stackers or I forget the other ones, but that's why. And it's usually a whole set. This stacker has 42 pieces in it. They usually do. Here are the colors. And I find it interesting that it's called a pillow pack by Riley Blake. Wonder what that means. All right, we'll have to guess and see in a few minutes what the next item is. But first I'm going to talk about the evaluation. Or valuation, value, whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to call it. Anyway, yesterday I talked a little bit about how I'm not an expert on this, which I am so not. I'm so not, okay? And the reason I address this is because I was getting a lot of messages and comments and emails and stuff like that. I guess there's some people that are using screenshots from my videos to justify selling items. And I just want to make it clear, I don't want anybody to be taken or to overpay just because of my suggestion. So that's why I clarified that yesterday. It's also why I'm putting my name on my images because I guess people are calling them their own. And anyway, that's why those changes happened. I'm going to continue to give my evaluation just because, I don't know, I think it's really good for people to know and almost justify even if they want to buy this or not and really understand what is involved in it. Somebody else asked if Missouri Star says it's a, whatever, $400 value. I haven't seen anything like that, so I don't know. I feel like I'm giving a service to you all. And, you can always skip ahead or not watch this part or not watch it all if you don't want to. That's fine too. But that's why I did that. That's why I addressed it because I don't want anybody being taken. All right, so let's talk about what I'm pricing that fun button at, which is clear across the room or I go get it. So I'm going to say $10 for everything, including the stickers. I don't know if you price stickers, but stickers are expensive. And I really love those too. So I don't know that the button is that much money. I looked at it, the more you buy, the cheaper they are if you want to have a voice put in. So with the stickers, I am saying $10 total. So that brings the easy button. And I know many of you talked about the Staples easy button. It's very similar. The easy button and the 6 stickers to $10. The running total then is $292.50. And our overage balance is $101.75. Yay! Now with this, usually I put these around $12 just because that's usually what you can get them for. They are a charm pack or, well, a stacker or whatever, 5-inch squares. So if you're looking them up, that's what it is. And here in the United States, they run between 10 and 15 depending, but I'll double check this one too. All right, we are going to guess the next item. Warning, 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 warning. I'm holding it up. Okay, here it is. Now, typically there is some sort of project after we get fabric. So I'm thinking there's a pattern in here. There's something squishy and it's in 2 different sections of squishy. Remember last year when we got the little pieces of batting shapes for that pillow? That was fun. Wonder what happened to that. I must have that somewhere around here. Slides around a little. Okay, well, I'm going with a project, but I don't know what it would be unless it is more batting cutout pieces. That would be a lot of fun if it is. Oh, I can't wait to find out. Yay! I hope you all are having a wonderful holiday season. I know this is a very difficult time for a lot of people, myself included. So I just hope this brings you some joy and we have just a wonderful December. And yeah, I don't know what else to say about that, but other than be kind to each other. There are so many people struggling with so many different things that nobody even knows about. So just be kind and enjoy however you can this time of year. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.